What if I told you that there are tools out there that can save your businesses tens of hours every single week? These AI-powered secret weapons are absolutely transforming how smart companies work. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the first tool is HubSpot. Now, this is a platform that is powered by AI, and it does so much for my businesses that it is absolutely ridiculous. This saves me tens of hours every single week because these guys have a bunch of different features that can really help you. For example, they have smart lead tracking, which basically gets AI to prioritize the hottest opportunities and automatically gets that to your attention so you can apply your business to it and make profit. As well as that, they have a 90% accurate sales forecasting for trends in the market. So if you're a content creator or you're an e-commerce, this could be great for your business. And when it comes to customer management, these guys do it incredibly well. They have automated engagement that handles follow-ups while you sleep. So yes, while you're in bed, your business is continuing to run and AI is running it for you. Now, when it comes to branding, this is the best tool out there for me because this uses AI to really just give you access to your brand and really expand that as well. This is really a brand management revolution, and they give you instant brand consistency, one-click access to approved assets, AI design assistance as well to help your brand design and keep everything consistent. And that AI will actually generate things in seconds for you as well, so there's no waiting around to get the perfect branding for your business. And as well as that, these guys have world-class analytics to back it up as well. The next tool is Otter.ai. Now, this will basically sit in on your meetings and transcribe and give automated summaries of the entire meeting. So if you did forget anything, everything is at your fingertips and there for you. Now, you can do this on Zoom, you can do this on Google Meets, but overall, this has massively saved time on my business because sometimes employers will forget things, and if everything is sent to them on an email from Otter.ai, then everything is easy. Deliverables are easy. Everything that they need to understand can be summarized by this AI. And if they do want to go in and see exactly what I've said to them, then yes, they can see the exact transcript right there. So for my employees, the time ROI here is incredible. And in fact, when you think about the productivity multiplier effects, this is going to compound in which, yes, I'm going to get to my end result, which is tasks and deliverables, and eventually sales and ROI a lot quicker than if I have to keep reminding them, they keep DMing me, and they keep forgetting what tasks they've been given. So good stuff there. Every business struggles with this, and Otter.ai just bluntly solves it. So that is going to be it for this video. Definitely check out all of these in the description, guys. We've got HubSpot, we've got BrandKit, and we've got Otter.ai. These are some of the best platforms out there when it comes to automating things in your business, getting better efficiency and optimization, and just having a smoother process to save tens or even hundreds of hours throughout the internal side of your business. Good stuff there. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next video.